Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by enabling developer options so you can access all USB behaviors. This matters because some menus hide advanced settings. Once done, plug a reliable USB cable into the phone and computer, then unlock your screen. When a prompt appears, allow USB debugging if you need file transfer or ADB. This grants the link necessary for data or device control and prevents intermittent connections caused by charging-only mode. You now choose the USB configuration that matches your task. The why is simple. Each mode exposes different services to the host. Go to Developer Options and find Default USB configuration, then pick File Transfer for moving files, USB tethering for internet sharing, PTP for camera access, or charging only to block data. If you're using ADB, make sure USB debugging remains enabled. Otherwise, ADB sessions will fail even if the cable. Finish by verifying the connection on your PC or in the Android notification shade. You should see file transfer or the selected mode. If the device isn't recognized, swap the cable or USB port first, because hardware faults are the most common cause. If problems persist, reboot both devices and reauthorize the computer when the debug prompt appears. This resets the handshake and often resolves driver or permission mismatches without further change.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.